Hi, everybody. Welcome back to Blockchain and Crypto Today with your host, Kyle Ellicott. We've got a quick rundown today for Friday, April 9th. But first and foremost, thank you so much for tuning in. Definitely give a shout out in the comment box, ask any questions, and make sure to check me out on Twitter along with us at LATOKEN.com. And we'll be on VCTV a little later today to break all of this down as well. So let's get into it. What's happening around the world? Well, WWE. The World Wrestling Entertainment industry has announced today that they will be creating their first ever non-fungible tokens representing legendary moments from the career of some of the most iconic figures, including The Undertaker, for those that are fans of the wrestling organization. The first four-tier drop will begin later this weekend, as well, for WrestleMania. Neptune DAO, DAO, a newly launched decentralized autonomous organization, or DAO, structured as a LLC here in the United States, is on a mission to provide DeFi, decentralized finance, upstarts or startups with liquidity. The company has raised $20 million and will be paying members of the DAO pool their capital into projects chosen by the group and provide liquidity to those projects in attempt to generate returns. Now, this is a growing trend. We're starting to see a shift and kind of democratization of traditional venture capital into startups through these DAOs, or decentralized autonomous organizations. And more activity, more governance structures, more structure in general is starting to come to this. So stay tuned for how DAOs continue to roll out over the next couple months. We'll continue to cover them as well. LATOKEN buys another $10 million in Bitcoin, or about 175 BTC, to complete its treasury allocation that it had planned to reach of $100 million. And this was a plan it set for itself in its current cryptocurrency investment plan, or CIP. The plan called for the company to add about $100 million in both Bitcoin and Ethereum to its treasuries for both investments and future initiatives, including decentralized applications, or dApps, in the near future. Lastly, Salesforce has announced it would begin testing VeChain Thor blockchain. We're still waiting for details as to exactly what that's going to look like and roll out with, but Salesforce is very excited. They have begun testing and they are working on VeChain Thor, for those paying attention. With that, I'm your host. That is your quick rundown of what's happening in blockchain crypto today. I'm your host, Kyle Ellicott. Make sure to check me out on Twitter as well, at Kyle Ellicott, to hear more of today's news and all news around the industry. But also check us out on LATOKEN.com as well, and VCTV, as we bring investors from around the world to break all of this, along with other technologies, industries, and regions around the world. That being said, we'll see you back here tomorrow. Big thank you to the LATOKEN team and to Maria for making today's episode possible. Everyone have a wonderful day.